Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would get rid of your dark under hands, okay? And this is just gonna be very friendly for your skin, and it's great for all skin type. Now you have to also give it a little time and consistency for this home remedy to work really fine and really well, okay? So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments below and please share this video. Now let's dive into the video. To get rid of dark underarms, guys, you're going to be making use of lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and it also contains lightening and whitening properties, so it's going to be very helpful in removing the dark patches and the darkness under your armpit. It's going to also, get rid of all of the dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and a newer skin. Lemon is a natural brightener, so it's going to work in getting rid of it, okay? So at first we're going to cut in the lemon, okay? So I just need half cut of this lemon, guys. So I'm actually going to be squeezing in all of the contents, but the seeds, because we need something to scrub with. So I'm actually not going to be straining it, okay? There are some lumps of the lemon, so I'll just have to press it to extract the juice. So we're also going to be making use of a little bit of Colgate toothpaste. Okay, you can actually use any toothpaste anyways, but you have to use white toothpaste because it contains an ingredient that helps to leave the skin smoother. It works in removing pimples and age spots, so it's going to be very beneficial for the skin. So for the paste, I'm actually going to be squeezing in just a little amount of the paste, enough to go round though. And then we're going to also be needing rice powder. Now rice powder is a natural skin brightener. It contains a natural skin whitener. So using rice powder would do two things. It will help you scrub out the dead skin cells, and it will also lighten up the dark area. Okay, so using rice powder on your skin would help you to shrink the pores. It will help to remove darkness under your hands, and it's also going to help you to glow, okay? And then we're going to be putting in the rice powder. Just 1 tablespoon of that rice powder is enough. And then we're going to also be needing bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a natural home remedy that works miracle on the skin, also on the hair. You can actually take baking soda internally because it works in getting rid of belly fat, and it's also great for hair loss. It also works on the skin because it's exfoliates the dark patches, and it also helps to remove darkness under the hands. It will remove all of the dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and a newer skin. To make it better, I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, And now we would stir. Okay, so this is actually the reaction that baking soda gets when it goes in contact with lemon. Now I would have to stir. When I begin to stir very well, you're going to see the foaminess. It's going to begin to foam. Alright guys, so this is better, and this is just going to remove all of the darkness under your armpits. Hi guys. Alright, good morning. Here is the treatment, and I need to remove the darkness on my armpits. Okay, so let's go. This is how my armpit looks like. Okay, not like really dark, but I'm just gonna be able to scrub with this one. I don't know, maybe because I scrub this one more, that is actually why it get lighter than here. Actually the same, or maybe okay. So the first thing you're gonna do is to get rid of any hair, and you can get a toothbrush or any soft brush to assist you in scrubbing it. So I'm gonna be applying this onto that part. Apply more. I have darkness around here, so I love to apply around that place too. And then I would have to hold it on for a little while, okay, so that the treatment will just get into my hands, okay, like my underhands, and help me to soften the skin first. So the skin has to get softened first before, you know, scrubbing. So you can hold it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, let the skin get softer, okay, and then you can scrub. So first of all, use my hand to just scrub gently, as gentle as you can. It depends on how your skin is. If your skin is actually tough, then you can go the tough way. Okay, so after that, then I'll have to use my brush to assist me scrub it very well. So I'm gonna open up my hand very wide and scrub it. You can see. So I actually scrub this hand more than the other one, okay, because you know the right does things more better than the left does. So I'm gonna scrub it. Okay, so you don't have to bruise your skin while scrubbing, okay? Just a little scrub would go a whole long way, and it will help to remove all of those darkness. Okay, so I'll have to scrub again and scrub a little because my hand is actually more gentle than the brush. So what I do next is to grab the treatment again and apply it. Okay, so when I apply it like that, then I'll have to hold it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. It's actually sometimes very discomforting because be like something is actually down my hand, disturbing, but it's good. So I'm actually gonna hold it on for like 2 more minutes and I'll go wash it off. So guys, the thing is that this thing is actually not miracle. Consistency is the key to natural remedy. Okay, so when you're applying it, you would eventually get your result. But the thing is that the result is not going to be far-fetched, but you have to be consistent. You have to apply. You don't just have to apply just once and you be like, oh, it's not working. Well, you have to try and try again, at least for some while, okay? And you go wash it off. So you can see my underhand here. I actually did scrub this part so I can show you when I'm done, like, okay? And here, compare the two. I just did one scrub here. I would have to scrub it again like 4 to 5 times in different days, okay, for it to go off. Okay, so it's actually not difficult to do, but you have to be consistent, like do it and do it and do it again, and you're gonna see a huge result. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a video. Leave your comments below and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and mwah.